Hey guys, so this week we're going to be talking about adding decimals and subtracting decimals. So really, as long as you are comfortable adding and subtracting, this should be pretty simple. So we're going to start with adding decimals. So if I have, let's say I have 3.41 plus 2.32. So all you're going to do is set it up, put my larger number on top, and the main thing that you have to remember is lining your decimals up. So I know I've got to line my decimals up so they're in a line stacked on top of each other. So now I can just add 1 plus 2, 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Do not forget to bring this decimal down. That's really important. 3 plus 2 is 5. So I've got 5.73. Okay? So if you have a problem like this, 3.2 plus 7.38. So if you have something like this with different amounts of digits behind the decimal, you're going to set it up like this. So we'll have 7.38. I'm going to line my decimals up. And so I don't have anything right here, so I just need to add a 0. And then I can add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. Bring down my decimal. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. So now we're going to do subtraction. So if I have 4.8 minus 2.1, I'm going to stack them just like I did with addition. 4.8 minus 2.1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Bring down my decimal. 4 minus 2 is 2. Easy enough. The main thing is just bringing down this decimal and lining your decimals up. So again, if I have, let's say I have 10.5 minus 3.67. So I'm going to put my larger number on top, just like we would do for subtraction. And then I'm going to line up that decimal. So I don't have a number right here, so I can put a 0 here. So I'm going to subtract. 0 minus 7 can't do that. I got to borrow from the 5. It becomes a 4. This now becomes a 10. And then I'm also going to have to borrow from this 1. It becomes a 0. This becomes a 10. I'll have to borrow from that 10. It becomes a 9. This becomes a 14. So now I can do it. It says 10 minus 7 is 3. 14 minus 6 is 8. Bring down my decimal. 9 minus 3 is 6. And then 0 minus 0 is 0. So we'll just leave it like this. So 6.83. All right, so with subtraction, the main thing to remember is how to regroup and borrow from other numbers, because I know it's been a while since you guys have done that, but we will totally practice that with these problems. Okay, so it's just borrowing and regrouping so you can subtract. Okay, so y'all let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.